Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by using a modern mobile browser because the trick relies on browser tab behavior. Open YouTube. Calm and request the desktop site. This forces YouTube to behave like on a PC. Play the video you want, and if it auto-plays in another resolution, pause briefly to seek to the exact spot you want. Once done, keep the browser active in the foreground so the desktop interface fully loads. This makes the next steps reliable when you switch tabs or lock the screen. Now you switch away without closing the video tab. Open a new tab or press your home button. The audio may stop, but don't panic. Pull down the notification shade or open the browser's media controls and press play. The desktop YouTube session responds and resumes audio. If your phone blocks background play, enable the browser's background activity permission. Because you use the desktop site, YouTube provides standard media controls that let audio persist even when the app would normally stop it. To finish, lock your screen or switch apps and confirm the audio keeps playing. That proves background playback is active. If audio stops when locked, reopen the browser and use the media notification to resume. Often the browser paused it, not YouTube. Make sure desktop site remains enabled and background app permission is granted. If problems persist, clear the site cache and repeat the desktop request. Doing so resets any stuck session and usually restores the behavior without needing
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.